Are you looking for the best hammer drills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best hammer drills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita D-Handle Rotary Hammer Drill. A fantastic drill for concrete and an array of other materials. Our premium choice is the Makita D-Handle Rotary Hammer, which looks almost exactly like a sci-fi energy weapon and performs just like one. 2. You're granted complete control over your work with an ergonomic D-handle and soft grip side handle, and the large trigger switch prevents strain on your fingers. For extended, continuous use, the recessed lock button makes your job even easier and gives you the chance to give your hands some respite during labor-intensive jobs. The torque-limiting clutch ensures durability by preventing gear damage by disengaging the gears if the bit binds. This doesn't merely protect the drill and its parts, but also you by preventing any sudden jerking that can put you out of commission for some time. With 40-bit angle settings, you're also guaranteed versatility that is sometimes lacking in larger drill hammers. This makes the Makita one of the most convenient tools for tradesmen and DIYers alike, and combines with the Makita Motor Advantage feature for increases energy transfer to provide top-quality results for top-quality demands. There's no anti-vibration technology, which may put some of you off, but with up to 50% faster drilling, you're unlikely to notice. Our handy guide to the best random orbital sanders features more great products like this. Up next in the 4th place is the Black+Decker 6.0 amp hammer drill. Even lighter, but still pricier than the Skill, is the Black+Decker 6.0 amp hammer drill is a quality option that feels much more robust than it may first appear. The grip handle is thick and provides a comfortable fit for short bursts of work, making it excellent for small jobs like masonry and working on car parts. It offers excellent balance and even better control without the wobbly, loose feeling you find with smaller drill handles. The all-metal keyless chuck makes it easy to change the bits when needed. This is massively convenient, but another sometimes neglected benefit is that it will save you time when you're working towards a deadline or just want to finish and relax. It also has a variable trigger speed to put you in total control throughout a variety of applications while still providing excellent torque regardless of how much power you give it. With a maximum of 2,800 revolutions per minute, you're guaranteed to complete your jobs quickly and efficiently, although it has a habit of heating up if used for too long. Still, it's perfect for tight spaces where larger drills would struggle. But at only 6.0 amps, it doesn't possess as much power as other similarly sized models. This makes a perfect DIY gift for a handyman in your life. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita XRH04Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 7/8. One of the first things that jump out to you when you lay your hands on the Makita XRH04Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Rotary Hammer is the cool design that makes it very attractive to any potential buyer. Beyond that, it has a lot of functions beyond the nifty design that makes it a no-brainer purchase. The ease with which you can store this hammer drill is almost enough reason to buy it. But don't worry, there's more. It features 3 operation modes: rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammering only, which allow you to use this product for a variety of functions, all of which it excels at. On top of that, the Makita XRH04Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Rotary Hammer also ensures user safety with the installation of a clutch, which helps to reduce gear damage by disengaging the gear when bits bind. In addition to this, it features a simple chuck system that truly eases the task of changing bits. Furthermore, your drilling is faster and more convenient, thanks to the RPM and BPM synchronization. Add to that the rubber grip, which is comfortable for all users, and you can see why this is such a popular drill amongst tradesmen. this is a tool that is undoubtedly worth considering as you scour the market for your next hammer drill. For more amazing options like this, check out our guide to the best oscillating tools. Second on our list is the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme Rotary Hammer Drill. Packed with a variety of features sure to excite even the most casual and reluctant home improvers. The Bosch Bulldog Xtreme Rotary Hammer Drill is a dream to use for DIY jobs and professional projects alike. This alone makes sense as to why we've selected it as our #1 choice for the best hammer drills. But there's so much more to it than that. We're particularly excited about the 3-in-1 multifunction selection, which allows you to switch seamlessly between rotation-only, rotary hammer, and simple hammer modes. This gives you a versatile tool for a variety of jobs both big and small. The powerful 7.5 amp motor packs power you'd be lucky to find elsewhere, while the variable speed trigger gives you total control and puts you in charge of the tool for precise, accurate drilling. While it's slightly too large to fit into tight spaces, you'll still be able to tackle most jobs with ease. The SDS Plus bit system also gives you multiple attachment options for different materials and is easy to switch out bits to find the perfect part for your job. For added safety, the automatic bit lock gives you protection from human error, and while it has a habit of getting covered in dust, but what do you expect? It doesn't affect performance, which is perhaps the most important thing. Make sure you also check our guide to the best cordless drills for more similar tools to this one. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill. It is impossible to have a conversation about heavy-duty tools and equipment without mentioning DEWALT. This is a company that has been in existence for many years and has, in that time, provided quality products that have gained an enviable reputation. With the DEWALT 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, they show once more why they are considered a juggernaut in the power tool industry. This powerful tool is useful against surfaces that regular drills just can't get through. It does this with ease and with the addition of a brushless motor, which utilizes carbon to create power as opposed to magnets. You are potentially in possession of a drill that lasts longer than most, both in the number of hours you can get out of it and the number of years it can last you for. It also comes with active vibration control, which significantly reduces the vibration you experience while the drill is in use. Also, the DEWALT 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill features a retractable utility hook that enables you to hang the drill conveniently. Compactly made, the DEWALT drill is easy to store and is a fantastic addition to your tool collection. Additionally, this drill wastes no time in getting to work, and with its immense power, this is the best of the bunch. Power tools are quite dangerous, and all users must exercise caution when using them. But the DEWALT 20V Max seeks to reduce these worries with the addition of a couple of safety features. For example, this drill comes with a factory set clutch, which reduces sudden high torque reaction if the drill jams up. That's not all. It is even ergonomically designed, which makes using it an extremely comfortable experience for the user. A perfect addition to your toolbox, just like some of the best 10-inning jigs from our list. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.